Welcome back everybody to Hayes Tech and ROM Reviews. I just figured I'd do a very quick, very informal video. I'm sitting on my couch and I just downloaded AOSiP and the latest Popcorn Kernel build, which is v1.4. I had a request for this video, and since I'm sitting here on the couch with nothing to do, I figured I'd show you guys how to flash it. Alright, getting ready to flash AOSiP, latest version on the Nexus 6 using twerp. Make sure that you are using the latest version of twerp. Also make sure that you back your system up. That's quite easy. Just go back up, name it if you want. Once you get it named, hit the check mark. Choose your storage, click OK, and then swipe to confirm. I'm already backed up. So you're going to wipe. Go to advanced wipe. I do Delvin system data and cache. I always wipe data. Never touch your internal storage. Swipe to wipe. I'm going to do it again. Now let's go to install. I'm going to go to install, find the folder. I put everything in the AOSiP folder. I created it, put everything I need in there. First thing I'm going to do is click on AOSiP. Make sure that's the one I want. Go to add more zips. I am going to flash the FedPatcher V8 just to be on the safe side. Add more zips. Open gaps 8.1. Make sure it's there. Add more zips. I'm going to do FedPatcher once more. And we are going to swipe install. I'm also going to be installing Popcorn Kernel because I want to test it on this ROM. I've already run this ROM with the supplied kernel and it works great. I'm going to pause this until it's installed. Alright, once that flash is finished, you can go ahead and boot if you're not going to put a custom kernel on. And just boot the system. I'd give it a couple minutes to settle in before you start up. But I'm going to go ahead and flash a custom kernel. Also guys, if you're going to flash Magisk, now is the time to do it before you boot. So if you're not going to flash a custom kernel, go ahead and flash Magisk. I am going to wipe cache and Delvin. I'm going to wipe cache and Delvin again. And one for good measures. I'm going to go back. And now I'm going to install Popcorn Kernel. Tell me I didn't download it. Oh, there it is. This is the newest version too. It's v1.4. It's just released. So we're going to flash the kernel. I'm going to add one more zip because now I want to flash the Magisk. I flashed the v16.4. That is a beta version. Now I want to clear that. I hit the wrong one. So we're going to go ahead and go popcorn. Add more zips. Magisk. Add more zips. I'm going to do the fed patcher one more time. And we are going to swipe to confirm, or swipe, yeah. Now let's put it on Magisk. And fed patcher. And it's done. I'm going to hit reboot system now, and then I'll pause it until it's done. Just to let you guys see it's going to boot. And it's booting. I'll be back when it's done. By the way, that's the boot animation, in case you guys were wondering. Now, I'm kind of videoing this in a dark room, so the colors aren't popping quite like they should, but that's what it looks like. Okay, there you go, booted up. I'll let you see what it looks like once I set it up. Alright. Figured I'd let you guys see what it looks like booted up. That's it. I'm on a stock launcher. These are the apps that come with it. Just letting you see. Of course, I flashed Magisk, so that app will be with it. We'll go into system real quick. This is the theme that is set by default. We're going to go down to the system. About going to let you guys see this is AOSiP, of course, Android Open Illusion Project 8.1 official. That's the latest build. Maintainer, of course, is Corey. There's the kernel, Popcorn Kernel. I have the 1.4 flashed, and it is working so far great, no problems. And that's it. I will be doing a full review on this ROM as soon as I set it up and run it for, I'd like to give it a good day. And that's it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I want to thank all my subscribers, and I will see you on the next one.